Unboxing Impact Brake 960 low rush UX11. Intisat Ripe Spin Attack 5. Here's the code. This is the instructions. And here it is. Impact. Pause lang muna. This is his blade. It has these rubbers. The ratchet is 960. A very good ratchet. Then low rush. Low rush is 1 millimeter shorter than the original rush. Bye bye guys.